Welcome to Odyssey Quest. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of flying cars, which are rapidly transitioning from science fiction to reality. Several companies are making significant strides in this innovative field. Xpeng AeroHT's modular flying car. Xpeng AeroHT, a subsidiary of China's Xpeng, is developing a modular flying car known as the Land Aircraft Carrier. This vehicle features a foldable drone-like eVTOL, electric vertical take. This vehicle is currently available for purchase, marking a significant step toward personal aerial mobility. Doroni Aerospace's H1X. Doroni Aerospace is developing the H1X, a two-seater eVTOL aircraft designed for personal use. With speeds up to 120 mph and a flight range of 40 minutes, the H1X has received FAA certification and is expected to enter mass production by 2026. The anticipated price range is between $300,000 and $400,000 regulatory considerations. While these advancements are promising, regulatory frameworks for flying cars are still evolving. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, is developing guidelines to ensure the safe integration of flying cars into national airspace. For a closer look at one of these innovative vehicles, check out this video on Xpeng AeroHT's X2 flying car. Xpeng AeroHT's X2 flying car nears mass production. Stay tuned to Odyssey Quest for more updates on the future of transportation.